Hi, I'm John Noter, Director of Government Affairs for ISSA, the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Association. This is your update on the top 3 legislative and regulatory issues impacting the cleaning industry right now and how you can get engaged. Topic 1, ISSA applauds House passage of the Ocean Shipping Reform Act. On December 8th, the U.S. House of Representatives passed the Ocean Shipping Reform Act of 2021 by a vote of 364 to 60. Back in August, this bill was introduced by Representatives Garamendi and Johnson in bipartisan legislation that would update the Shipping Act to recognize the significant changes to the transportation system over the last 2 decades. ISSA worked closely with a coalition of trade associations, businesses, and others, and signed on to letters supporting this bill because we realize that a strong and efficient supply chain is critical to making sure that essential hygiene and cleaning related products are able to get to end users. Topic 2, ISSA urges action on Section 301 China tariff waivers. We signed on to a letter to the members of U.S. House of Representatives Ways and Means Committee ahead of a hearing on the U.S. competitiveness with China. In the letter, our signatories stated that it is critical that the House join the Senate in passing legislation that, among other things, would fully restart and reinvigorate the Section 301 China tariff exclusion process. ISSA has been a longtime advocate for tariff relief since they were implemented and continue to seek relief on ingredients, parts, and products related to the cleaning industry. And lastly, topic 3, government avoids default but kicks can until 2023. Yesterday, Congress voted to raise the debt ceiling by $2.5 trillion, pushing the next debt limit fight until after the midterm elections in 2023. Congress will continue to debate a $1.7 trillion Build Back Better proposal, as well as election reforms ahead of the holidays. This was your Cleaning is Essential. 3 things you need to know right now. You can sign up to receive ISSA's free legislative and regulatory e-newsletter by going to issa.com/take action and by becoming an advocate for clean today.